Namaste everyone, welcome to a new episode of Restore Your Natural Vitality. Create a closed energetic circuit by standing with your feet together and your elbows clasped in front of your chest. Inhale deeply. Squat down and exhale vigorously with a loud whoosh through your mouth. Inhale and return to the standing position. In the second variation, place your palms together at your chest in Namaskar Mudra. Remember to push your feet into the ground every time you come up to the standing position. In the third variation, place your palms behind your head and pull your elbows back. Perform each variation for 6 to 12 reps, then rest for a few moments in Utkat Asana with your arms wrapped around your legs.